Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and I'm Sharon and today I'm going to show you how to get darker stains using organic henna paste or any other henna paste, and so watch till the end for knowing all the secrets and tips I'm going to. This is a mural painting henna design, and if you want to learn this design then the link is in the description box, check that out also. And today I took some lemon juice and some sugar and I have mixed them together to make this, and I took them in 2:1 ratio. So we are going to make this as the sealant for a henna design, and I'm going to take a paint brush to apply this onto my henna design. If you have a spraying bottle, then it would be better if you could spray it on our henna design. Now I'm going to paint this like this on the henna design, and make sure that you are not taking over amount of our sealant liquid so that the color won't just go away and smudge all over your henna design. And if you are interested in henna designs and want to know more about them, then check out my page in Instagram. It is also called Mehndi Love. So we have done all the sealant and it is almost dry, and I'm going to show you how to scrape off this. And I'm going to use a knife which we use with a fork, and I'm going to just scrape off this like this, and I'm not going to use any water so that our henna stain will last for longer and we get more darker stain. And we are applying sealant spray so that the henna will be moist or wet for more time and we get more dark stain, because the henna gets more time to just go into our skin layers. And now we are almost completed, and I have cleaned all the mess from my hand. And this is coconut oil. You can use any other balm like Vaseline or anything kind of balm for this. And now I'm going to apply this over all my henna design so that the water will not get contact with our henna stain and we get more darker stain, because if it get in contact with water, there's a chance for the henna stain to go into a dim version. I hope you like my video. Stay tuned. Please subscribe my channel, and bye till we meet again.